Good night, teacher Hall. Comparison between high medium and low cell iPhone. High cell iPhone. The price is not an impediment for you will advise you always opt for high-hand cell iPhone and enjoy the realized at most advanced features. This mobile always have the best technology and the latest hardware. Some example is in this category include the iPhone 11 or the Samsung Galaxy S9. Headphones of iPhone have the latest features and activation technology. The devices are flagship and in the best category. Hard-hand smartphones are generally more expensive than the other two categories. My range of iPhone. My range of iPhone. Also, some hardware components have been sacrificed to achieve a more affordable price. Some examples of the best mid-range iPhone including the iPhone X or the Samsung Galaxy A7. The mobile are an excellent option for those who want to enjoy a smooth experience but do not want to pay a lot for users. D is a lower precision to the previous category of smartphone, as the name implies mid-range. So iPhones are placed between mid and low-end devices. What mid-range cell iPhones do not include are the features they want can enjoy using high-end devices. They have more options and are more prime than lower-end devices. Price is not a major impediment for this category. Low-end cell iPhones. Many more have been sacrificed to achieve a much more affordable price. iPhone in this category may cost lower and may not have a higher resolution. It is important to note that not all iPhone manufacturers launch devices for each category. OnePlus, for example, only after high-end cell iPhone. Low-end cell iPhone have bigger features than mid-range and high-end iPhone. They have some basic functionality with less advanced features. Similar price plays a very important role in low-end smartphones. Same viewers in the category have unlimited bill. Thank you, teacher.